Hey there, savvy entrepreneurs. Are you tired of traditional office jobs? Today, we're diving into an incredible opportunity to start your very own vending machine business. In just a few short weeks, you can have yourself up and running with the most popular machines, finding those perfect locations that will bring in steady cash flow, all while managing your inventory like a pro from home or even on the go. Did you know that there's an estimated $14 billion spent on vending machine purchases every year? That's enough to support 2.5 million vending machines. Not only is this market huge and growing, but it also offers incredible flexibility for anyone looking to start their own business from anywhere. You could be operating in the most profitable locations like college campuses, airports, train stations, or even your local park. Now, let's break down how you can get started with your very own vending machine empire. Here are our top 5 tips. Tip 1. Source your machines to start. It's crucial to source great machines for your business. There are a few ways to do this. You can reach out directly to vendors who sell vending equipment and inquire about discounts or bulk purchasing options. Alternatively, you might find them on online marketplaces like eBay or Craigslist. Let's say you decide to purchase from eBay. You'll want to make sure they're local so that shipping costs don't eat into your profits too much. Tip 2. Find profitable locations. Once you have machines in hand, the next step is finding those ideal locations. Think about traffic patterns and the needs of the people who frequent these areas. Do they need snacks or drinks? Consider things like stadiums, local parks, even places where students and faculty congregate on college campuses. Let's say your first location is a small park near a bustling university campus. You'll want to make sure there are enough foot traffic points for customers to grab their vending machine purchases. Tip 3. Monitor your inventory once everything is set up. It's important to keep an eye on your inventory level so you don't run out of supplies. This means regularly checking what items are selling well and what isn't doing so great. Maybe it's time for a different snack or drink option. Keep track with apps designed specifically for vending machine owners like Vending Manager Pro, which helps streamline the process by saving reports and tracking sales data. Tip 4. Manage your cash flow. One of the biggest challenges you'll face is managing your cash flow efficiently. To ease this burden, consider having a separate bank account just for your vending business. This way, when you receive payments from customers, it goes directly into that account instead of mixing with personal finances. It's also wise to hold on to some money in an emergency fund so you can cover any unexpected costs like repairs or replacements. Tip 5. Scale your business. Finally, don't be afraid to scale your business as soon as possible. Whether this means adding more machines or expanding into new locations, take advantage of the flexibility afforded by vending machine ownership. You could also partner with other businesses such as local cafes or restaurants who might give you a place in their premises, which would be ideal for them and offer great revenue streams for you. Whether you're looking to start your own vending machine business from scratch or simply want to add this lucrative venture into existing operations, these tips can help make it happen faster and smoother. So next time someone asks how you got so rich so fast, just smile and say, "It's all thanks to a clever little vending machine." So what are you waiting for? If you liked today's episode on getting started with your vending machine business, be sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with more opportunities like this. And if you decide to give this side hustle a shot, leave us a comment below telling us which of these steps will be your first to try out.